welcome or welcome back to my channel. So some of you may already know my name is Chaitali and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So guys, today I present to you a collective Miniso haul. I've been collecting few things since quite some time now. This is not something that I got from one particular visit at Miniso. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, firstly I'll start with the products that I got from the most recent visit to Miniso, and most of these products are from the Barbie collection. So guys, the first product that I want to show you is this one right here. This is a cute handheld mirror and it says high clarity. It retails for rupees 300 and there's also a cute little messaging that I want to read to you guys. It says Barbie is the original girl empowerment brand and it is always powered by purpose. Miniso, together with the global fashion icon Barbie, drew inspiration from Barbie's message of you can be anything, encouraging girls to become whom they want to be. Such a beautiful message, you guys. So let's see. Okay. So this is the mirror, you guys. See how cute it is. Very nice, and it's actually quite high clarity mirror. So the next product, you guys, is this one right here. It is this cute portable foldable mirror and hairbrush. Retails for rupees 170. It also has this cute messaging over here which I already read to you, and let's see how this is. So this is the brush side, you guys, and this one is the mirror. So you can see this is the mirror, and if you will just push it from here, you can see the brush. So it's very cute and portable. So this one right here, guys, is an eyelash curler. It says for natural lash curl smooth razor. It retails for rupees 200 and the description reads Barbie collection 2-in-1 portable eyelash curler. Again has a similar type of messaging that is so sweet, and it says that it can also be used to shave excessive hair around eyebrows. That is interesting. So let's just open and see how this is. So this is the product, you guys. It's so pretty and so cute. So pink. Okay, and yes, it does have this razor. Okay, so you can just remove the stray hair, and the good thing is actually you can push this thing up and the razor end goes inside it, and when you pull this out, this is how you can actually place your eyelashes and then curl it up. It's quite interesting, cute, portable. I think these kind of things, it just adds fun to your whole makeup situation. So the next product, you guys, is this one. It is a Barbie claw clip and it has these cute 3D stickers on it which says Barbie, and then there is this Barbie sunglasses and also this cute 3D silver heart. It retails for rupees 300 and the size is also quite good, you guys. Although I do feel it is a little pricey for a claw clip as compared to those which you can get in the local market. But if you are a collector and if you are a Barbie fan, then you may choose to buy this one. Although there are other options in the Barbie claw clips, there I've seen ones with those bows and ribbons, but when I saw them I felt that I liked this one more, so I just picked up this one. So this one, guys, is this cute little pouch. It has this glossy, glittery, sparkly sequence inside it, and it reads Barbie, of course. Retails for rupees 150. Again has this similar kind of messaging, and so this is the interior of this pouch. It reads that it is actually a stationary pouch, but you can actually use them for any purpose, right? Like putting your knickknacks like earrings, bracelets, or just use it as a coin pouch. If you have a lot of coins, then you can just shove in all these coins in this and you'll be good to go. And for 150 it is not a bad price point, I think. So the next item from the Barbie collection is this one that I got. It is a razor. It has aloe vera and vitamin E, and it says it has 5 blades. Retails for rupees 260. Let's just open and see how this is. It's quite a complicated packaging. I've just decided to open it from the bottom, you guys. Okay. So this is the razor. It reads 59, and so this one is the razor, you guys, all in pink color. So the razor also has a transparent cap right here. So once you're done with the whole shaving thing, then you can put the cap back on so that the blades are not exposed. And so cute, it has this miniature Barbie head and also the sunglasses, and it reads 2023 metal. So cute. So the items from the Barbie collection are done, you guys. Now let's move on to the other items that I got from Miniso. So the first one that I see is this one right here. This is from Hello Kitty. It is actually a nail file and it retails for rupees 170. So I'll just read this cute little note that it has. Hello Kitty was born in London, England on November 1st. For more than 40 years, she has been popular all over the world. The original Japanese team has combined today's trend to introduce to you a totally new character to fans. So it's very cute that they have mentioned this thing, the history of Hello Kitty. And let's just open and see how this is. So this is the product, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I dropped it. So this is the file, the nail file, and this is the case for it. It's very thoughtful of them that they actually gave the case also. So after you filed your nails, you can put it back inside this case. You can just see. So this is the case right here. You can put the nail file over here and it goes inside it, and it's so cute, compact, and you can just travel with it. I mean, such things are really nice, you know, to put it inside your small handbags. I've seen so many nail files in Miniso, but they don't really come with a container like this or a case like this, but this one has it, and that is why I picked this one up. So guys, the next product that I'm going to show you is also from the Hello Kitty collection. It is this one right here. It is an eyelash curler and it has this cute little Kuromi. If you know Sanrio characters, then you also must be knowing Kuromi. So a little history about Kuromi is that she was born on Halloween, and even though she might look mischievous, she is very nice. She likes handsome boys and the color black. How cute is that? Now this particular eyelash curler retails for rupees 200. Just see how this is. Ooh. It is in a very cute, pretty purple color, and I think it opens like that. Okay, so you can just put your lashes and do this way, and you can have nice curled up lashes. If you watched my no foundation makeup look, then you must have already seen a similar one, and this is this one. I absolutely loved this one. It is so cute and compact and actually very functional. So this one right here, guys, is a cosmetic mirror, and it is also from the Sanrio collection that Miniso has. It has this My Melody on it, and this retails for rupees 190. It has this sweet little note of My Melody and its history. So I'll just read it out to you guys. My Melody was born on January 18th and lives in the forest of Maryland. The moment this innocent and cute character appeared on market, it attracted a lot of female fans. It surely did. Everyone wants to meet this lovely girl. My Melody and Miniso, two international brands, join forces to bring you more surprises. So this is the mirror, you guys. I don't feel like ripping off the packaging right now, and it's a little difficult too. So maybe some other video I'll show this to you guys, maybe in some skincare video or makeup video I'll show it to you guys. And it is not a very portable one, but I think this size of mirror is good when you want to have a close-up look or when you want to see more clearly, especially if you're doing a skincare or makeup routine. So the next item that I got from Miniso is this one right here. It is this pale lemony yellow colored card holder, and it has a lot of space, you guys, for so many cards. Literally you can see it expands so much. It retails for rupees 350, and it reads that it is a cute bonnet accordion style card holder. So very nice and portable card holder, you guys. You can also put your cash if you want to. I absolutely love such type of card holders or such type of wallets which are super portable, because they're the best to carry. I do not carry long, bigger size wallets, because they just take up too much of space in my handbag. So the next product, you guys, is also in the color yellow, and it is this one. This is a Happy Foods collection cosmetic bag. So this is a makeup pouch, you guys, and it is very, very spacious, and even the lining is quite nice and furry inside. It retails for rupees 290. So next up, guys, is this one right here. It is a mirror and it has two sides. So this one is 2x, so you can see your image 2 times. Retails for rupees 200 and has this cute Care Bears print. I absolutely love these kind of mirrors because you can literally see your face more up and close, and it is so compact. Next up, guys, is this one. It is a cute massage hammer, you guys, with this fox head. Retails for rupees 190. It says it is a mini family sports massage hammer, and this face is, I think, called Shiba. So I just got this long time back. I don't know if it is available in the Miniso now, but I do recommend this to you guys because it's actually quite functional. You can literally beat yourself up like that, gently, but it does the job, especially if you have backache problems, then it is actually quite good because this can reach those places where your hand can't reach, and you can just have it. So guys, I've got a lot of claw clips from Miniso. So the first ones that I'm going to show you are these ones. So both of them retail for rupees 200 each, and they open up quite wide. I just use them when I want to tie up my whole hair up in a bun, and they're very, very nice and very big size. So if you have long thick hair and you want to have those claw clips where you just want to tie all your hair up, I think these are very good options. I also got these ones, you guys. This is a very big, massive size claw clip, and I wanted to have these because I really use massive size claw clips just to put all my hair up, and they are very, very functional and they open very wide. Now these retail for rupees 90 each, and it's actually a very nice size claw clip if you have thick long hair, and also it's not that pricey. I mean, you get similar ones in your local market also for a similar price point, I guess. So the next claw clip that I got is this blue colored claw clip. It is such a pretty blue color, you guys. It retails for rupees 100, and this is not as massive as this one. It is a little smaller size, but I absolutely love the color. if you have shorter hair, then you can actually use this to tie your hair up in a bun as well. Next up are these spiral hair ties, you guys. So I don't remember how much they retail for because I just ripped off the tag because I wanted to use one of them the other day. So these are really very functional, you guys. I absolutely love spiral hair ties. So they're actually very nice in terms of grip. You can just pull all your hair up and they do not put any dent on the hair. So I absolutely recommend these spiral hair ties from Miniso. They're actually very good quality as well. They may retail for rupees 200 or something. I'm not very sure because I've ripped off the packaging, but I got these same ones in another set as well. Now the last product in this haul, you guys, is this one right here. It is actually a kid's towel in the Care Bears collection and retails for rupees 200. Now you might wonder, why did I get this? I got this because I want to use this as a hair towel to wipe my wet hair. I think this is in a microfiber material, so it can be a good option to wipe my wet hair. I do have the Nika hair wrap, but I also wanted a lighter and softer, you know, microfiber hair towel, and I saw this in this cute little print, so I got this. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, do not forget to share your comments down below. And if you like similar content like this, then you can subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.